Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Logan, and today I'm going to be doing a winter glam look using the James Charles and Morphe palette. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. I did my eyebrows and primed my lids off camera, and now I'm going into the bright blue shade called Playground, and I'm just putting that all over my crease. And now that I have that shade all blended out, I'm going to go into the shade next to it called Brother. I'm just going to put that a little bit lower than the first shade I placed it. And then I'm going to take that first shade again and just go over top and really make sure everything is blended. Okay, now that that's all blended, I'm going to go in with a more tapered brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Cola, and I'm just really going to put that right in the crease below all the other shades that I placed. And then once that is done, I'm just going to put that same color on the outer corner, kind of press it in and then blend it just so we have what? I don't know. And then I'm gonna go in with that first shade again. Just go over top of everything again, just to make sure that everything is blended. And then once I have all of that, I'm going to then cut my crease, and I'll be right back. Okay, now that my crease is cut, I'm gonna go in to the shade Flashback, which is the white shade in the palette, and I'm just gonna set that now that that's set. I'm going to take my Luxie 245 and I'm going to go into the shade Hello, which is this bright blue metallic shade, and I'm just going to place this where we cut the crease. And then for a little bit more paint, I'm going to go in with my finger. Not so close to where we cut the crease though, because I want that line there. Now I'm just going to go into the deeper blue shade called Cola, and I'm just going to make sure that everything is blended out. I'm just going to go back over where we cut the crease, and then I'm going to go into that brighter blue shade and again just blend everything out. Now I'm going to take the black shade of the palette and I'm just going to deepen up the outer corner. And then I'm just going to again blend that blue and black shade. Now I'm going to pop some mascara on. I wasn't prepared for the mascara. I'm just gonna take my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Now I seriously did not get anything out of my drawer. Now I'm just gonna go in with my MAC Prep and Prime. My natural, it's called the Natural Radiance Primer in Radiant Yellow. And I'm just gonna put that all over my face. Now I'm just going to go into my Makeup Revolution foundation, and I am in the shade F3. And then I'm just going to blend that out. Okay, I'm really sorry. Now I'm going to go in with some concealer. I'm just using the Bye Bye Under Eye Concealing Pot. And then I'm just gonna set with my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder underneath my eyes. And everywhere I place the concealer, I'm just really gonna pack it on and set my smile lines before they wrinkle. And then I'm just gonna brush it all over my face. Now I'm gonna go into my contour kit by Anastasia, and I'm just gonna go in with the middle shade here. I just like to contour a little bit higher and then just blend everything out. And then I'm just gonna do that on the other side. And also on my forehead. And then what I like to do is just use my beauty blender and kind of just press that into the skin just so that line's not so harsh. I need a bigger desk. I'm just gonna go back into the palette, and I'm going to use the first shade that we laid down, and I'm just going to put that in my lower lash line. Just kind of really just fluff it, doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm going to take this flat brush, and I'm going to use that deep shade that we used, and I'm just going to put that in the outer part of my lower lash line. And then I'm just going to kind of clean that off a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with this kind of shimmery, darker shade. It's called Acapella. And I'm just going to use that. I'm just going to kind of press it right on the inner part of my lower lash line. And then to highlight everything, I'm going to use this smaller brush, and I'm going to take the shade Ring Light and just put that in the inner corner. Just blend it out. I'm also going to put it in my brow bone. I'm just gonna put on mascara on my lower lashes. Then I'm going to use my Badescu spray before I highlight. And then I'm still going to use my beauty blender and just kind of pat that into the skin. Then I'm going to take the Natasha Denona Super Glow Highlight in Fair. Lastly, I'm going to line my lips with the Sephora liner in the shade Creme de la Creme. Then I'm going to put over top the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick in the shade Caramello. And just blend that together, and then go back over. And here is my finished look. Thanks everyone for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe and like if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. And then I'm gonna go in to the black shade of the palette and just deepen up the crease here. The crease. And I'm just gonna take the black shade of the palette, and I'm just going to make sure what do I always do that line is darker so you can tell what that line there, just to make sure that everything is one.